Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Beenie Man gives support to the sister of former dancehall queen Carleen, who is fighting cancer. Beenie Man, through his foundation, has launched the Pinky initiative to help Carleen's sister. Beenie took to social media yesterday to ask fans to support Pinky, who is battling stage 4 breast cancer in the lymph nodes.
We have a thing where we work with the Beenie Man Foundation called the Pinky Initiative. Now Pinky is one of the first dancehall women, one of Carleen's sister, because she's the first dancehall queen. Anyway, she has cancer. And we need to save her. We can't save her, but we need 50,000 US. So, to all my fans and well-wishers, if you have $1 or $5, I tell you, just send it.
Persons wishing to donate can do so via Beenie's foundation or the Beyond the Real Helping Hands platform. Now, Grammy winner Kabaka Pyramid is back in the island. Kabaka, back from his recent European tour, held his official Grammy and birthday celebration event in Kingston Wednesday night. Specially invited guests were treated to performances from his friends Romain Virgo and Tifa, and of course the man of the hour, Kabaka himself. Kabaka won the first Grammy Award for the album The Calling. The critically acclaimed album features Peter Tosh, Damian Marley, Jameer Morgan, Tifa, Jesse Royal, Protege, Stephen Marley, Buju Banton, and others. Internationally, Post Malone is in celebration mode as he breaks the record for the most diamond certified singles from any artist. The news broke today as Universal Music Group shared the statement that Circles, Better Now, and I Fall Apart have crossed the diamond threshold, which is awarded to tracks that have accumulated 10 million certified units. This pushed Malone to the top as the artist with the most, Recording Industry Association of America Diamond certified singles with 8 in total, surpassing Bruno Mars, who held the record with 6. The singer is also tied for the highest platinum certified single of all time with Sunflower, featuring Sway Lee, which hits 17 times platinum. To celebrate his achievement, Post Malone will tomorrow drop his greatest hits album called The Diamond Collection. He'll be heading to Europe this weekend for the second leg of his 12-carat tour. By the way, guys, happy 420. I'm Daedran reporting for E Prime. Thank you for watching.